Eric with Mother.com. Let's take a look at the chart for Steam, and we can see this is a weekly chart. Just want to show you that there was a breakout. If you take the highs there on a weekly closing basis, would come and break out, and this breakout actually took place, as you can see, at the beginning part of 2018. In fact, the first week we've had a huge run up from the breakout here, let's call it at about 350, to the current highs here of about $9. Now, why was this breakout successful? Number one, we can see here that the RSI moved above 69.1. We can also see that the RSI went to all-time highs right there. And we can also see that the MACDs also went to new highs. So this is the reason why we've seen this explosion in Steam at the beginning part of 2018. Let's take a look at another example. And here we have Dogecoin. Now take a look at this breakout here. And again, we are looking at the weekly. You can see this breakout in price right here. Corresponds with the RSI yet again, moving above that magic number of 69.1. Now I'm going to have a link in the description of the video explaining where I get this number. And also we can see that during this breakout, corresponding with the RSI above 69.1, if we take a look at the MACDs, we can see that the MACDs also break out. So the reason why we've seen this explosion in price for Dogecoin is because it met the minimum requirements that we look for quality breakouts. And this explains why we've seen this explosive price action over the last 4 weeks or so. Now, in the description of the video, I'm going to include a link to this playlist where I discuss this method, how to time momentum breakouts for cryptos, stocks, and any ICO, any instrument that might be trading in the market. So take a look at the link that I'll provide in the description of this video. And so I was setting the stage. I would like to highlight you to the idea that VARG versus the dollar could be a potential breakout down the road if and when it breaks out above the recent weekly closing high. The level to watch there is 0.2464. So if it can break out above this price, and we can see that the RSI is already above 69.1, what we need here is a price breakout. So one can set an alert. Anything above this price would be a bullish buy for momentum, in my opinion. And we can see that the MACDs are already trading at all-time highs. Of course, if it breaks out again on the weekly, you'd want to see the MACDs continuing with their upward move, breaking all recent highs. In fact, we can see from the recent breakout, as far as this instrument is concerned, again, we see RSI moving above 69.1, and we see that the MACDs also broke out. So this explains why the stock has seen this massive run up from 0.006 to about 0.3. Huge run up. Why? Because this breakout met the minimum requirements that I'm discussing here. So again, takeaway here is one can consider this a buy if and when it moves above 2464. This is the level to watch. Anything above this level would be a breakout buy opportunity. Eric with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS. Yes. Mwah. Woo.